This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Nedra Kanavel. Like new home in South Asheville. Lovingly remodeled with gleaming hardwood floors, tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, ceramic tile bathrooms and more. Open floor plan and vaulted ceilings make the main living area bright and comfortable. Sunroom, upper deck and lower deck look out on the large, fenced backyard. Downstairs features cozy den with wood-burning fireplace and extra-large two-car garage. Driveway newly concreted within the last 10 years and rock work added to outside landscaping. For more information, review the details below.